Can everybody see okay? Now, on page 18 of your tables, I'd like you to first of all write in this here. Everybody see that? Okay, I want you to write that in and write down test for perpendicular. You can write it on the bottom of the page if you want. That's of your maths tables. Okay. Now here's how it works. Here's how this works. Okay. We're going to find out the two slopes of these two lines. Is everybody okay with that? Does anybody remember how do we find the slope of a line? Thank you. Right. So you're going to get the y's on their own, aren't you? So I'm going to move the 2x and the 10 over to your side. I'm going to get minus 5y equals minus 2x minus 10. Does anybody remember what I like to do here? Both sides by minus, don't I? I like to change both sides. And then what am I going to do to both sides now? Divide by 5. Okay. And long behold, it's y equals 2 over 5 x plus 2. Can I tell you what's the slope of this line? The 2 over 5, isn't it? Next, I'm going to come over and I'm going to grab this line here. And I'm going to do the exact same procedure. What moves over first? 2y equals what? Minus 5x, yeah? Okay, then what? Divide both sides by 2. 2y divided by 2, 5 divided by 2, and 10 divided by 2. Sorry, did I make a mistake? Oh, I made a mistake on the last one. That affects us, but that's actually a minus 10, isn't it? Okay. Now, and that's a, yeah, that's a minus 2. All right, now this is interesting. Ready? Y equals what? Minus 5 over 2x and minus 5 equals that. What's the slope of this one? Now, here's the test. If two lines are perpendicular to each other, what does M usually stand for? Yeah, I'll tell you on page 18. What does M usually stand for? It doesn't stand for midpoint. I don't know why it doesn't stand for midpoint. It stands for something else. It stands for slope. Don't know who made that. Okay. Anyways, here's what we want from you guys. You looking? M1. Let M1 be minus 5 over 2. Yeah. 1 second. Now, see the way I replaced one of the slopes with minus 5 over 2? See the way I replaced the other slope with 2 over 5? I'm trying to multiply 2 of those by 2. What should happen? Get your. If you multiply the two of these, if you get an answer of minus 1, it means they're perpendicular to each other. It means that these two lines are in fact 90 degrees to each other. Hey, am I happy with that? It means that the two lines I used at the start of this question are at 90 degrees to each other. These two guys right here. Okay? They're perpendicular. Now, what did we leave off at the last day then? We did all this, and now we're on to question this one here. All right. Okay. It wants me to find a new flower. Okay, and it has to make it. Does it have to make a square? Does it? No. All right. It wants me to find the midpoint of B to D. Two ways: formula or by I. I think that's by I. Okay, what do you reckon? Yeah, I think 3, 4 is the new flower in the middle. Yeah. Was everybody able to do that by eyesight? And if you aren't able to do it by eyesight, use the midpoint formula. Okay, and that'd be x1, y1, and this would be x2 and 2, and you get the same answer, wouldn't you? Okay. Now, next thing. Another flower E can be located by completing the square ABCE. ABCE. Here's an idea. Ready? A. Oh, that's a circle. That's not good. A to B. A, B, C. Where do you think the location of the other corner will have to be? 6, 7, isn't it? Everybody see that? Basically what you're doing in your mind. You're thinking, where could I put that other point to make a square out of it? Happy enough? What's it, E, is it? Okay. We all right with that, gents? All right. And guys, let's keep going. Done. Alrighty. Let's keep going. Another flower. Oh, we did that. B1 and 2 are on flower A, and B1 flies directly from. All right, I'm gonna need a diagram for this. Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna have to make a copy of the diagram for myself, which would be like this. Is it on a different page for you guys as well, or is it on the same page? All right, that's probably why I'm having difficulty with it. So here we go. So I actually can't picture this question without the diagram beside me. It's going to make the diagram a lot smaller. Everybody happy to have the diagram there on the bottom left? I'll knock out the front lights. Flower A. So they're both located here. They're both on the yellow part, right? Now one of them wants to go from where? A to B, and then from where to where? B to C. Okay. How much distance does that B cover? Do we need the distance formula? Why don't we need the distance formula? Straight down and straight across. So how many blocks down? 5 blocks down, and how many across? Another 5 again. How many people got B1 went 10? Okay. Now B2 flies from, where does B2 go from? We'll get rid of B1 for a second. Makes it so B1 is 10. Now where does this guy go? We'll use dotted lines for this guy. Where does he go? From A to D, and then D to C. I think I'm gonna have to use the distance formula twice, am I? How about you with that? We kill? Alright. Now 2 minus x1 squared, y2 minus y1 squared. Alright, excellent. Alright. Now, here's what we're gonna do. Okay. What is the point A again? A is 1, 7, and what's B? Oh, sorry, D. So would everybody be happy that we get the distance AD first? The distance of here to here. That's the first distance we're going to get. So, okay, what numbers do I have to use? X1, Y1, and I'm just going to put it all into the calculator, am I? So I'm going to get a 5 take away, 1 squared, and then plus, anybody? Take away, squared. Okay. Then put that all into the calculator. What did you get? 4 point? Yeah, root 17 or 4.12. Did anybody get that when you showed on the calculator? So only one person? Got it? You got it? You got it? Excellent. Right. What do I have to do next? What do I have to do next, lads? Yeah, go, yeah, C to D, the blue line, right? C to D. Okay? C to D. Now, C to D, we're going to use the same trick again, okay? Except my new points are, I'll do this one in red. It'd be 5, 6 for D. Let's call it X1, Y1. And C can be 6, 2. Call that X2, Y2. Right, let's have a go. What do we get then, gents? 6 take away 5 squared, and then what else? 2 take away. And what happens when I throw it in the calculator? Anybody have an answer? Yeah. What? 14.12. Is that not a bit on the large side? Try it again. Yeah. We got 4. 4 point what? Who got the same thing? 4 point? Yeah. Do you know a slick way of proving that's the same? If I was to draw a circle, it should hit both points at the same time, shouldn't it? If they're the same length, it should hit both of them at the same point. Oh, deadly, they are actually the same length. Right? So that's a sneaky way of verifying that graphically. Okay. So they're both 4.12. And what happens when we add the two of them together? 4.12 plus 4.12? 8.24. So who travelled longer, B1 or B2? B1 travelled longer. And there's the reason for our answer. B2. The shortest distance. B2 did. B2 travelled the shortest distance. And there's our workings to prove it. Okay. Let's drive on. All right, graphing lines now, is it? All right. Graph the line y equals minus x plus 4 shown below. Using the same scalar axis, draw the graph of line y equals x plus 2. No bother. Y equals, would everybody agree, 1x plus 2? Okay, where's the C intercept? 0, 2. Happy with that? Okay, nextly, pick another value for x. Pick a value for x, keep it small. 2. Ian has chosen an x value of 2. So would everybody agree the x value is 2? Now I'm going to find out the y value is 2, yeah? And then, so replace is a 1, it's 1 times 2, isn't it? Which is 2. 2 plus 2? 4. Would everybody agree the point 2, 4 is on the graph? Where's 2, 4 located? 2 across and? Okay, and long behold. Happy with that? Okay. From the graph, state the point of intersection. Where did the two graphs hit each other? Everybody Q at 1, 3? If you haven't got it done, you're obviously making notes, right? Doing really well. All right, is there another part to this question? Oh, verify your answer using algebra. Okay. What are the equations of the two lines again? Y equals what? Was it x plus 2 is one of them? And what's the other one? Was it x plus r or minus x plus r? Minus x plus r. Okay. Does anybody remember how do you find the point of intercept of two lines again? Would have been on Google Classrooms. We did the full work on it. Then we did it for 2 days afterwards. Simultaneous equations. Okay, simultaneous equations. What does a simultaneous equation look like usually? Has x and y on one side and the number on the other side. Exactly. So here's what we're going to do. Currently, our equations don't look like that, do they? Would you agree with that? They don't really look like it. So here's what I implore us to do. Move over the x's. And what do we get then? Minus x plus equals. And on this one. Now, what you know is when you add downwards. What happens when you add downwards? Huh? Yeah, the x cancels already, so we haven't got much work to do. And what do we get for 2y? And y equals 3. Okay, we were expecting that, weren't we? We're expecting a y value of 3. Am I completely done? I'm not. Pick one of the equations. In fact, you can use one of these. You can choose the blue one, or you can choose the yellow one, or you can choose the green one, because the green one is the same as the blue one, or you can choose the pink one. It doesn't matter which one you choose. The whole point is that this point is on both those lines, so it doesn't matter which one you choose. I'm going to choose the blue one because I'm lazy. Yeah, I'll choose the blue one. What do we replace y with? 3. 3 equals x plus 2. What x value causes that to be equal to 3? 1. There's your answer, 1, 3. Cool. Move on. Drive on, as they say. You all good? Is this the same question or a different one? Similar though, is it? Very similar. Alrighty. Okay. Where does it cross the y-axis? 0, 1. Okay. Nextly, where does this one cross the y-axis? Y equals x plus 4. Where does that cross the y-axis? Huh? A c value of 4? I would agree with the blue point. Okay. That's easy so far, isn't it? Okay. If it's not easy, I apologize. Is that all there is to it? Am I missing something? Thanks. So, okay, lads, draw y equals x plus 4, right? Cool. So what we're going to do here, I need another point on the graph. How do you find another point on the graph? Pick an x value. X value of 1? No bother. What's 1 plus 4? You chose an x value of 1. That caused the y value to be equal to 5. Let's draw the point 1, 5. So where's 1, 5 located? Yeah, join those 2 points together. Keep going down. It looks something like that, won't it? They're parallel to each other. What's question D, Ernestus? Is there a part D? There's no part D. So that's it done. All right. Yeah, on the slightly on the simple side at the moment, right? All right, guys. Which one has a slope of 0? 0 means you're just going straight across. Huh? T. T because you're running straight across. That means T equals. That's T right there. Okay. Now, what about which one are you running uphill? Uphill is positive. So which one does that have to be? Number 1, isn't it? See the way you're going? 1 across, 1 up. 1 across, 1 up. That's a slope of 1 over 1, which is 1. That means that's P. What about the next one? What's happening? On uphill or downhill? Downhill. 1 down, 1 across. 1 down, 1 across. See the way you keep going 1 down, 1 across every time? So that means it's minus 1 down. So you're dropping minus 1 divided by 1. And what's minus 1 divided by 1? Sorry, divide. Minus 1 divided by 1 in the calculator will give you a minus 1. So that means this here is, what letter is that? K. Is that the last question? That's not bad at all either, is it? question. Oh, you can do it both ways. There's two ways of doing it. Who used y equals mx plus c? It's okay if you did. All right. All answers are right. I'll give it to you now. What's the slope of the line? What's the slope? 3. Replace the m value with 3. What's the y-intercept? Well, specifically, there's your answer. Did anybody do it this way? You can still do it. What's the y1 value? What's the y1 value? 5. What's the m value? The slope value? 3. And what is the x1 value? Huh? 0. What happens here? Bring over your 5. You cool with that?